Okay, we're gonna get ready to paint these trees. So I'm gonna use some engine paint, gloss black. It's a new can. So shake it up a little bit for a while. First thing I do is get rid of some of the paint on it, so you have extra paint coming out of the can. That's a bunch of damn chemicals. You'll find something out here to paint black. What needs to be painted black? I'll get my toolbox. Toolbox needs to be painted black. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright. That gets the solvent stuff in the tube out of the way. So I'm going to warm up the can a little bit, warm up the parts over here a little bit. Little fumes in the building now too. It's always nice. Probably should open up the door a little bit in the window over here. There we go. There's my neighbors. Like those? Perfect. Okay, so we're going to use a torch here to warm up the parts. Clean bench here that you cleaned a week or two ago. So we know it's clean, right? Close enough anyway. Use a nice oily rag and just clean something else with on the rack. A little oil residue on the bench and we know it's clean. Perfect. Don't make it too good around here. Okay, instead of using a bunch of acetone and other stuff to clean your parts with, I just use a torch. It also preheats it at the same time. We use a settling torch that costs more. Cheap torch is already acting up. Take long. Turn off the oil residue from the hands and everything else in the room. Reheat everything. Cheap ass torch. Junk ass torch. It only likes being wide open. Right on the way up there. Not burning your hand, it's not too hot. That crap torch. I get so pissed off at lighting in here pretty soon. Okay, so it's warmed up a little bit. This is plastic. If it got real hot, it'd melt out too. Looks like my light got in the way again. They don't make these lights like they used to. That's from the teens, I was told. I always break it though. Whatever. Okay, so this one needs to be held with this. Yeah, it'll work. This one's a little hotter. I'll hold my hand. I think I'll hold my dirty rag. That'll work. Make it too damn good around here. Alright, I'm going to go over here and make a nice paint mess. Prevailing wind is easy blowing this way, so we're going to go this air goes that way, hopefully. Keep you off the camera lens. First thing I do is lay down a coat on there. If it steams off and it's all wrinkled, it's probably too hot. That's the problem we're into right now, it's a little on the hot side. A lot of fumes in here too, which is not good. I need to paint outside. Time to go outside. Get too much crap in here. Let's find something to paint around here. Bucket, perfect. That's what they make paint buckets for. It's a little bit too hot to paint. If the paint is steaming, it's too hot. Try this, see how hot this is. It's nice and cool outside, so it shouldn't be a major problem out here. There you go. Perfect. Let's see how hot this one is. Yeah, it's a little warm. No fumes tonight. No wind. Get a little warm. Oh well. Put enough on there, it starts to gloss up. Go. Nice and warm. Now if you wipe out the residue right there, it won't be so painted where you need to have the paint missing from. So you need a rag for that. I gotta find something to hold this with besides the rag I'm using, because I need a rag. Let's see, where's the rag at? Okay, so you take a little solvent, wipe out the inside of this a little bit. Takes some of the buildup out of there. You don't have to take it all out, you just need to kind of smear it around a little bit and get out of the way. Now the bearing area over here, down here, would be nice if this didn't have anything on this, but so we'll just go like this a little bit. It's pretty hot on my finger too. That's burning the damn piss out of my finger. It's hot, hot, hot. You have to get it all off, but just some of it. The bearing will shove the stuff out when you don't want it to be. Alright, looks pretty good. Ooh, let's completely miss that spot. How'd that happen? I know how to fix that problem. There we go. That paint back in there. Alright, so now I got to hold it somehow without touching it. Got my hook right here. Okay, now I want to paint the top of the stem a little bit so it doesn't rust. That didn't work very well. Yep. That's probably hard on those threads we just fixed. See the big nick in them? Not the good thing to do. I'm about to work on the top thread. I almost let go of myself. This wire don't have enough hook up here. Ah, it does now. Okay, so what do we do now? So it looks like obviously I touched it right there. We nicked it right there. Obviously got some big crash marks right in the front here. Right where you're going to see it. It's a good thing we're going to be back doing this again later. I don't care about those. I care about the thread I dropped on though. That I do care about. The rest of it, I don't give a shit about. Okay, yeah, if I missed a spot, we'll have to get it later. Okay, I do need to get the stuff off the up here though, so we need some more solvent on there. Can't put much pressure on it here, so let the solvent do the job, not pressure. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm going to go clamping the vise to hold it. We'll do that way over there. Down there by that ugly ass bike down there, see? Let's see. Yeah, there's no real way of doing this, is there? Perfect. That'll work. Okay, now this one out here should be cooled off by now, hopefully. So now you go ahead and paint it. coat on that. Damn, that thing's hot. Ah! Can't put my finger long enough to get it up here. Gee, that's hot. Let's see, that's going through here, wasn't it? All right. A good thick layer of black on there. The stuff in these holes here are going to be in the way a little bit, but you can run it up in the run up there a little bit. So if I'll take this and do a light cleanup job in there. There we go. You don't have to go all the way through the hole because there's rubber on the top, so steel's only a little bit in the bottom. Alright, so now we're just going to hang this one someplace where it won't drop and fall. Probably over there in the back of the rack would be a good spot, I would guess. There we go. That'll work. Hanging there, and the other one's over there. Oop, over there. Now, if I want to make those really bright and glossy, I would stick in the oven over here, heat up to 130 degrees, and bake it on. It'll make it super glossy. But the old paint's not supposed to be real glossy on these bikes, so we're not going to do that. We're going to leave it just spray can glossy. It's more like a semi-gloss finish, so it's plenty adequate for what we need. Okay, I got to get this piece of crap off of here and get that one over there onto it. That's the next thing to worry about. Swap this thing out. I don't want to get too carried away here, but I got to go racing here pretty quickly. But yeah, this is the one we're going to use. At some point I'll paint this piece here. I might do that tomorrow. This one here is, I'm just going to clean up around it the way it is. Most of this just grease will come off, so it has the right finish. This piece here needs to be painted, so I'll paint it. We'll worry about that later. So, yeah, I can do it now, I guess. Gotta get the crap cleaned off, but yeah, we'll do it now. What the hell? All right, I'll be back.